Hi, in this video I will show you how to do Jenny's surprisingly stretchy bind-off. As the name suggests, it's a very stretchy bind-off that is often used for binding off ribbing. I have prepared a small piece of knit 2 purl 2 ribbing so that I can show you how to bind off knit stitches and purl stitches. All of the stitches are worked as they appear, but in between the stitches we will make some yarn overs. To start, work the first stitch. This is a knit stitch, so I knit a stitch. The next stitch is also a knit stitch, so wrap the yarn around the needle coming from the back. Knit the next stitch. Now use the left needle to pull the first 2 stitches over the last stitch. The next stitch is a purl stitch. So this time make a yarn over by putting the yarn in front of the needle and purl the next stitch. Use the left needle to pull the first 2 stitches over the last stitch. The next stitch is another purl stitch, so again make a yarn over. Purl the next stitch and pull the first 2 stitches over the last stitch. Wrap the yarn around the needle coming from the back and knit the next stitch. Pull the first 2 stitches over the last stitch. So if the next stitch is a knit stitch, wrap the yarn around the needle coming from the back. If the next stitch is a purl stitch, make a yarn over by putting the working yarn in front of the needle. After that, always work the next stitch and pull the last 2 stitches over that stitch. Make a yarn over and purl the next stitch. Pull the first 2 stitches over the last stitch. I will show you how I bind off the rest of the stitches. I hope this video was helpful and thanks for watching.